Oh. Et je peux mettre ma musique. Chers amis, quand on m'a demandé de choisir 3 livres pour la micro-bibliothèque Quartier Libre, j'ai d'abord été surpris. Je me suis même demandé s'il n'y avait pas eu erreur. Pour être honnête, je ne suis pas un grand lecteur de romans, ni d'ailleurs de littérature narrative en général. Si on m'avait demandé des recommandations de films et des émissions... I'm so sorry, hein. Mais j'aimerais bien avoir un truc d'une traite, ouais, c'est juste pour ça. Parce que, ouais. Mais ouais, oui, on peut couper largement.
Normalement c'est allumé ou pas?
Because I don't know how the colors will mix with other, like I don't mind mixing, but like if someone wants pure green.
Yeah, I'm so interested in this marbling.
Let's see how it looks.
So this looks kind of cool. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Looks like a precious stone.
Live performance.
I give up for the day. Demonstrate. I was trying to get you off my set. In a crazy zone. Out of the time we spent. Falling on the accident. I made you on purpose. I'm flying away serving. What you got behind?
Okay. It's a video.
Oh, we like crumb. We like crumb.
Reminisce a time with all the people that I could've kept. Said I chose to push them, finding that there was nothing left for me to give. Wasted many years in my head, I'm just a headless horse. Aaron said before it's that you gotta keep moving forward. Can't worry, no stress controlling all I can't stand. But then I found myself mimicking nihilism through poetry. Am I the problem? The question we all ask ourselves would never seem to solve. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Been noticing y'all niggas ain't in tune with rap. Y'all rather be jumping with my whip piles of rolls up crap.
Pushing up behind them curtains, build up from detergent. Even the feeling is urgent, my body is serving. The table is turned into light. In some I'm learning, the family journey, a kiss from Hershey.
Easy to get knocked down before you can really figure out what your fight is.
Toronto, make some noise for the legend on the 6-string bass. Cool.
Actually, a lot.
But that's good.
Just experimenting.
Ouais, c'est un peu triste. Et tout chacun est chez soi. Le Yassa est en cours. La sauce est trop belle, je suis trop contente. Genre, elle est grave crémeuse. Le poulet vient de terminer la tirade. Ouh. Bien, je vais les tourner, remettre 5 minutes et après ça va. Hell yeah. Hell the fuck yeah. Looks so good.
Yeah. Congrats. Thank you so much.